Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Microsoft Access. This is a really useful feature when you need to connect data from different databases without actually importing or duplicating it, keeping everything synchronized and manageable. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the linking process. To link tables in Microsoft Access, click on the External Data tab located at the top part of your screen. This is where all your external data tools are housed, giving you access to various import and link options. From here, look for the Linked Table Manager and click on it. This tool is specifically designed to help you manage and establish connections between tables across different databases. A Linked Table Manager window will appear on your screen. From this window, click on Add on the right side. This action will prompt you to select the file type of the data source you wish to link. For this tutorial, we'll be using a Microsoft Access file, so go ahead and click on it to select it. Once selected, click on Next to move forward. You'll now be prompted to locate your file by clicking on the Browse button. This opens up a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your computer's folders to find the database file that contains the table you want to link. Take your time here to locate the correct file, then click on the file to select it and click on Open. The table will be added to your linking queue. After this, click on Finish to proceed to the next stage. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose which specific table or tables you wish to link from the selected database. It's important to note that you can select multiple tables to link at once, which is incredibly handy if you're working with related data across several tables. Browse through the available tables, click on the ones you want to link, and once you've made your selections, click on OK to confirm. Now, take a look at your left side panel where all Access objects are located. You'll notice the newly added and linked tables displayed there, and they'll have a right arrow icon above them. This arrow simply indicates that these tables are linked from another database rather than being stored directly in your current one. Seeing this icon confirms that the linking procedure we've completed is successful and your tables are now properly connected. And that's it. You've successfully linked tables in Microsoft Access, allowing you to work with external data seamlessly within your current database. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.